Police Major Neil Gaspar. First ball possession. Kapitan Michael. Yes. Kapitan Michael, kick pass. Number 23, not good. Reverse. Oy, ganda rin. Setting to play. Consejal Galicia. Pass, not good. Pass break play. Lays it up. Yes. Short na konti. Put back. Kapitan De Castro. Too strong. Kapitan Michael. Oy, fired by Aaron Consejal. 5 to shoot. Tumama sa rin. Bukan. Inside. Wow. First personal foul on number 14. First team foul. Extra free throw on Bukal Eric. No. Okay. Yung takin. Ako po. Consejal Joey. Yes. New ball. Nagmamadali ngayon. Medyo kulang sa vitamins. Kapitan Michael. First shot. Thank you, Lord. Second throw. No good. Kapitan Michael. Second shot. Using the glass for 2. Pass to Mayor. Mayor fires on the mid-range. Not this time. Rebound by Neil. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound goes to Kapitan Michael. Pass break fail on Kapitan Fidel. Medyo malakas. SK Ramirez. Yes. Rebound by Consejal Joey to Atty. Ron. Atty. Ron lays it up. Yes. Intercepted by Neil. Lumiyalami. Nag-iisang ikaw. Yes. 2 more. Rebound on Kapitan Ronnie. To SK Ramirez. To Cap Michael. Stop and pop. Yes. 2 more. Kapitan Michael. Passes to SK Ramirez. Yes. 5-point lead by APC. Consejal Sani. Pass to Consejal Joey. To Vice Mayor. Yes! By Atty. Ron Garcia. For Joey on. Neo Yoba. Nabitin ang kontes. Neil. Because APC. Yes. 2 points. Korea agad. Consejal Sani. Fires a 3. Atty. Ron. Sets. Consejal Joey using his moves. Atty. Ron. Yes. Kapitan Michael. To Kapitan Fidel. Fakes. Fires. 2 ball. Deflected. Kaya Kapitan Number ngayon. Bola. Kanina na muna. Yes. 2 ball. Using his skill. Oy. Medyo madulas. Sarchino, pass break play to Consejal Aguado. Reverse, yes! Pass steal. Sarchino, to Consejal Aguado, lays it up, yes! Yes, teammate, Sarchino, pass break. On Mr. Velante, lays it up, yes! 2 points. Kapitan Demetrio Ramos, 9 seconds to shoot. Kapitan Michael, tiniro ba niya? Good rebound. Oy! Basket is good. 13 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Inside pass, Kapitan. Yes, 2 points. Kapitan Number setting the play. Inside pass to Kapitan Michael. Yes, 2 points. Nagawa na ngayon. Sir Velante. Lays it up. No good. Putback is good. 5 to shoot. Tumira na. No good. Kanila ulit. No good again. Kanila pa rin. Yes! Put up. No good. Ayun na po ang bola. Sa kanila pa rin. Sa LGU pa rin. Deflected by SK Ramirez. Sir Neil, yes! 2 points. So, Pastorelli, fast break play. Attorney Ron lays it up for 2. He goes ABC inside, behind step. So, Attorney Ron. Jose Arsani inside, no good. Put back. Second shot is good. 8 seconds remaining. 5. Inside pass, better Vasquez. Yes, 2 points. By SK Ramirez. Inside pass ulit. Better Vasquez. Yes, 2 points. Better Michael, pass break play to SK Ramirez. Yes, 2 points. Better Michael. Kapitan Ron, Kapitan Michael, inside, yes, 2 points. Set shot again, yes, good for 2. On Mayor Liobi, medyo malakas. Steal. Pastor Eric, pass break play. Attorney Ron, lays it up, yes, good for 2. Kapitan Campbell. Inside pass, Kapitan Vasquez, yes, 2 points. Para Kapitan Ronnie. 2 points on Attorney Ron. Sir Neil, nagmamadali. Pasok ko si Alsani, using the gas for 2. Kapitan Michael, no good. Put back, yes, 2 points. Rebound by Sir Neil. Sir Neil with the ball. Inside, pick out pass, Attorney Ron, yes, 2 points. Jose Alsani. Uy, napenge tayo doon. Jose Joey, yes! Off the glass for 2. Intercepted, Jose Alsani. Waiting for his teammates. Yes, 2 points. Look up, Michael. 7 on the shot clock. But there's a foul. First throw is good. Nakakatapos na ng ating kalamangan. Second draw on Cat Michael. No good. Oy! Kanya ulit na bola! First shot on Cat Michael is good. Second try is good. 47. Sir Anthony passes to Jose Alsani. Carson 3, no good. Ball goes to 0-0. Intercepted. Sir Anthony lays it up for. But here goes Attorney Ron, lays it up. Yes! Kick out pass. Kapitan Alday. Second draw. SK fan, Chino. To Sir Neil. Pull up jumper is good. For Michael setting the play. Looking for his teammates. Take the shot. Bam! 3 points! Now with Cap Michael. Liliman ang kalamangan. Cap Michael. No good. Rebound by Marcel Darius. Pass break. Pass to Bukayari. Yes! Uy! What a move! Reverse shot is good for 2 points. Sir Neil, inside, lays it up. Yes, 2 points. Pauwi agad. To San Rosales. Tumira, yes! Uy! Pastor Eric with the drive. Kick out pass to Sergino. Yes! 2 points. To Sir Neil. First try is good. Second draw, no good. Rebound goes to Kapitan Nestor. Passes to Sir Rosales. Nagmamadali ngayon. Kick and pass. Their basket straight to rebound on Mr. Rosales. Deflected, intercepted by Captain Joey. Nakuha ulit ng ABC. SK Ramirez fires. No good. Rebound. Kanila ulit. Yes, 2 ball. Kanila ulit ang rebound at Ron. Waiting for his teammates. Marcel Ganesha. Lumapit. Kick out pass. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Yes, 2 points. On Neil. Cap Michael. Inside. Yes, 2 points. On inside. Reverse. Yes, 2 points. Bawi agad. Kanya pa rin. Cap Michael. No good. Too much muscle. Kanila ulit. Capital passes. Reverse. First shot is good. To Marcel Ganesha. Using the glass for 2. Mr. Rosales. 10 seconds to shoot. Cap Michael. Kinaliwa. No good. Kanila ulit. Yes, 2 points. Number 5 inside kick out pass to Tornero. Lays it up for 2 points. Mr. Rosales. Oy, but there's a foul for Mr. Rosales. First shot is good. Kapitan basket. The Kapitan Michael. Basket is good. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Rosales, yes, 2 points. Last 2 minutes. So Rosales, pass to SK Ramirez, fires on the passes to SK Ramirez. Waiting for his teammates. The last time is deflected. To Antonio. Antonio with the ball. Passing to the mid-range. Passing to the mid-range. But there's a foul. First shot. No good. Isa pa rin ay habol ng LGU. 1 point lead by ABC. Second throw. Second throw on Marcel Joey. Good. Rebound by Kapitan Vasquez. Kapitan. Jose Rosales. Nagmamadali ngayon by Libericona. Napagpulutan. Napagpulutan ng shoot. Jump ball. Passes to SK Ramirez. Tumingin ang trapya. Uy! Bola ng LGU. Pastor Eric. Nagpababa ng bola. Passes to Tornero. Base. Uy! There's a in and down. Talagang labas-pasok. Second throw on the Tornero. Second throw na good. Rebound by Carmichael.
Yan!
First one.
Talo LGU.
Pasok. Dalawa na kalamangan ng ABC.
Magaling na exit, talo.
Mukhang kinakabahan ng ating LGU.
Nakasya tayo sa talo. Mahirap na yung 3 na dito. Oo.
Second throw on Cap Michael. Second throw. Pasok. Joas. 2 shots for Consel Joas. First shot no good. A lot of misses on the free throw lane. Second throw. No good pa rin. Pero kanya pa rin ang bola. Sir Neil, inside. Basket is good! Basket down. Plus foul on jersey number 18. Medyo kinakabahan